Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a credit card payment method to your Shopify store. Accepting credit cards makes it easier for customers to complete purchases and can help increase sales. Let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings. Once we are in Settings, we go to Payments. Under Payments, we select the Add Payment Method option. Here, we type credit card. As you can see, there are a variety of options available. Just click on the one you want to add it as a payment method. Then, we select the payment provider. Once that's done, we click Payments and then click Install. After that, we click Install again and wait for the installation to complete. As you can see, the payment method is now installed. We just need to enter the access key and password to enable credit card payments in the Shopify store. And that's how we add the credit card payment option to a Shopify store. Now customers can pay easily and securely, helping the business grow.